So Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultras are coming on the 1st of next month. And here's the big thing. We recently saw that how the camera cutouts are bigger compared to the camera cutouts of the S22 Ultra thanks to Ice Universe's this leak. But here is a new leak. Well, the Galaxy S23 Ultra might feature a 200 megapixel camera and a massive upgrade over 108 megapixel camera of the S22 Ultra. But at the front though, we're gonna see a 12 megapixel camera instead of a 40 megapixel one. Now, the resolution might go really down, so you might be thinking that's not good. Despite having less megapixels, recent evidence indicate that front-facing camera on the S23 Ultra will actually be better than on the S22 Ultra, thanks to more about the Qualcomm's AI engine, at the same time Samsung's own software optimization. A tipster actually disclosed that in a tweet that the S23 Ultra's 12 megapixel front-facing camera would actually have a Pro setting and dual pixel technology in it, which it was missing last year. Now, the new sensor will also provide advancement in night photography or nightography, let's call it. So this time, maybe there are going to be less in megapixels, but more in the quality. And we know that the megapixels are not everything, but still some fans look at the specs and they compare it with the past year's model. Now, if you don't know, there are going to be quite a bit of color options though. The first one is the beige color, which is going to be called as cotton flower, and they're going to be phantom black, and botanic green, which is a different kind of a green than the S22 Ultra's green, and mystic lilac, which is a light pink color. Now, Rossi is actually saying they're going to be gray, light blue, light green, and red color options, but those are going to be Samsung.com exclusive, just like last year. So if you want them, you have to grab them as fast as possible. And if you want to know more about the pre-order bonuses and the gifts, then definitely check out my recent video on that. What's going to be the storage and memory configuration for the whole S23 series? Well, 128GB base model and 256GB optional for the S23 and the S23 Plus. The S23 Ultra though will start at 256 8GB, but it will have 512GB 12GB and a 1TB 12GB of storage option. So that actually looks really cool. Now, the next thing you probably don't want to hear. It should be mentioned that based on what we have seen thus far, the Samsung Galaxy S23 series appears to be pretty remarkable on paper, like pretty good. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, the overclocked one, performs really amazingly. We have seen the recent benchmarks, longer battery life probably, enhanced camera capabilities with the 200 megapixel camera sensor, and many other here and there upgrades. But just like every time, the S23 Ultra might be costlier. A slightly dubious report claims that Samsung intends to raise the price of the whole S23 series. So the prices look like this in South Korea: $933 for the S23, $1096 for S23 Plus, and $1,253 for S23 Ultra. Now, depending on the models though, it is about like 10 to 20% more than previous year. Now, one thing to keep in mind though, that these kind of rumors always pops up before a phone is released. However, they usually turn out to be untrue most of the time, but not all the time. But I will definitely keep an eye on this one, so definitely subscribe to this channel. Okay, after releasing this free 8K wallpaper pack, here is absolutely stunning 8K wallpaper pack called Light Beam. On any monitor, computer, tablet, or even smartphone, it looks awesome. Want to see right away on your devices? Visit my website, link down below. It's for everything tech, where you will find free watch faces and tons of tech news much faster than these videos. So definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.